Let's say that you want to create a digital product to earn lots of money. It will take a lot of efforts to create one. So why don't you just use modern technology that can actually make you rich by the end of 2023? Stay with me and I will show you top 5 most highly demanded digital products in 2023 created by AI. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll unveil the top 5 products that cater to the current market trends and offer great opportunities to earn big money. Those products can be easily created using AI technologies. So let's dive right in. Number 5. Ebooks. Our first highly demanded digital product is ebooks. Ebooks have gained immense popularity in recent years due to their accessibility and convenience. To create an ebook, start by choosing a topic you are knowledgeable about. You can use modern AI technologies to assist you with ebook creation. Try using ChatGPT or other similar AI tools to help you with script, and you will have your ebook text ready in no time. Next, use software like Microsoft Word or Google Docs to format your content, add images, and create a captivating cover page. You can create or get such images using resources like Canva or AI technologies like Stable Diffusion. Save your file as a PDF, and you're ready to sell your ebook on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or Gumroad. This is a good option to earn some money, but stay with me because number 1 will blow your mind. Number 4. Online courses. Online courses have revolutionized the way people learn and acquire new skills. With the advancement of technology, creating and selling online courses has become easier than ever. Select a topic you are passionate and knowledgeable about, and break it down into modules. Utilize platforms like Teachable or Thinkific to create and host your course. Enhance the learning experience by incorporating engaging videos, images, and interactive quizzes. AI technologies like ChatSonic will help you to gather information for videos, and you will always know what is trending right now. Remember, any skill you have can be monetized nowadays. Number 3. Printable planners. Staying organized is essential, and printable planners have become a popular digital product to help individuals achieve their goals. To create a printable planner, leverage tools like Canva to design attractive pages featuring monthly calendars, to-do lists, and other organizational tools. Save each page as a PDF file and bundle them together into a comprehensive downloadable planner. Remember that you can use AI tools that I have mentioned before to assist you. Platforms like Etsy or Gumroad provide an excellent marketplace to sell your printable planners and help people stay organized and productive. Number 2. Graphics and templates. Another highly demanded digital product is graphics and templates. In a world where aesthetics matter, businesses and individuals are constantly seeking eye-catching designs. Utilize user-friendly tools like Canva or Adobe Illustrator to create social media templates, logos, or website templates. Design visually appealing graphics and save them in the appropriate file format. To create better graphics, you can use the next AI tools. Let's enhance, improve quality of your images. Jasper AI. Create blog posts, marketing copy, and AI-generated images fast. DALL-E. Another tool for graphic design creation. DID. Create videos with animated characters. Movio. AI tool for video generation. Platforms like Creative Market or Envato Elements provide a marketplace where designers can sell their graphics and templates. Number 1. Stock photos. And our top 1 is stock photos. With the high demand for visually appealing images, you can create and sell stock photos to businesses, bloggers, and content creators. So you just have to use any of the popular AI tools to generate images and then sell them online. Here are some examples of AI tools you can use. Leonardo AI, Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, and my personal favorite, Lexica. You can generate thousands of such images and then sell them online. Next steps are just straightforward. Enhance generated images using software like Adobe Lightroom or Photoshop. Save your photos in JPEG format and sell them on popular platforms like Shutterstock or Getty Images, where customers can easily find and purchase your stunning visuals. And there you have it, the top 5 most highly demanded digital products in 2023 created by AI. Check the notification in the top right corner, and you will find a step-by-step guide on creating and selling unique digital products. Remember, each of these digital products offers opportunities to showcase your skills, knowledge, and creativity while catering to the needs of your target audience. Stay tuned for more exciting videos. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with the latest tips and strategies. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.